Have you accidentally deleted important messages, photos, or videos from a WhatsApp group? Or even worse, there's no backup available. This situation can be extremely stressful, especially if those messages or media files were important for work, family, or legal reasons. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp group messages, photos, and videos, both with backup and without backup. Let's get started. Let's start with the first method, which is recovering deleted WhatsApp group messages with backup. This method works only if WhatsApp backup was enabled before the messages were deleted. If you regularly backup WhatsApp data, this is the safest and most reliable way to recover lost group chats and media files. First, open WhatsApp and go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Check the date of your last backup. If the backup was created before the messages were deleted, you're in luck. This step is very important because restoring from an older backup will only bring back data that existed at that time. Now uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. Reinstall it again, verify your phone number, and when prompted, tap Restore. Make sure you're using the same phone number and Google account that was used when the backup was created. Once the restore process is complete, WhatsApp will bring back your deleted group messages, deleted photos and videos, and even entire WhatsApp group chats. Depending on the size of your backup, this process may take a few minutes. An important warning: any messages sent after the backup date will be permanently lost. So before restoring, always remember that recent messages will not be recovered. Now comes the second method, recovering deleted WhatsApp group messages and media files without backup. If you don't have a backup, WhatsApp itself cannot restore deleted messages. This is where data recovery software can help. This method is useful when backups were disabled or never created. One such tool is Stellar Data Recovery. Stellar Data Recovery scans your phone's internal storage to locate deleted WhatsApp data before it gets overwritten. It attempts to recover messages, photos, videos, and other WhatsApp media files. To use it, install Stellar Data Recovery on your computer and connect your Android phone using a USB cable. Enable USB debugging on your phone, then select WhatsApp data for scanning. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to ensure a proper scan. After the scan, you can preview recoverable WhatsApp group messages, deleted photos, and deleted videos. Once confirmed, recover and save them safely to your computer. Always save recovered files to your computer, not back to the same phone. This method works best if used soon after deletion. Recovery success depends on how much the phone has been used since the data was deleted. Messages or media files deleted long ago may get overwritten and cannot be recovered. Also remember, no software can guarantee 100% recovery, so stay away from fake apps claiming instant results. Many fake recovery apps can steal your data or harm your privacy. Here's a bonus tip: always keep daily WhatsApp backup enabled. Avoid installing random WhatsApp recovery apps as they can compromise your privacy. If you accidentally delete something important, stop using the phone immediately to improve recovery chances. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below backup or no backup. Which situation are you in? I'll try to help you personally.